Hi guys, in this video I have discussed about remote desktop, basically what is remote desktop and what are the services used at backend. So let's start. Remote desktop. A remote desktop is used to connect your PC which is on another location using local PC. Let's suppose there is a PC in UK and I want to access it in Pakistan. So what I gonna do, I will use remote desktop service in order to connect to that PC. Let's see this diagram. Let's suppose there is a PC1 in Pakistan and this is PC2 in UK. So I will use remote desktop service on PC1 to access PC2 which is in UK. For this I know that we need IP, domain, username, password, but we will discuss it in later slides. So let's talk about RDP and RDS. RDP stands for Remote Desktop Protocol. So it was developed by Microsoft and it is used to communicate between host and client PC that terminal services run over it. Basically terminal services are RDS, Remote Desktop Service. It continuously sends screenshots from server to client. So the entire process, like sending of screenshots from server to client, this whole process seems like that a user is using PC locally. RDS, Remote Desktop Services, also known as terminal services, these are related to remote connectivity. Terminal services required RDP connection established before they can function. So basically both RDP and RDS are dependent on each other. How remote desktop works. So let's suppose we have a PC1 as a client PC and PC2 as a server PC. So the client PC will make a connection to server PC. Then the server PC will ask for credentials. The client PC will send credentials like username and passwords to server PC. Once the credentials are verified, the client PC will log in server PC and the connection will establish. So basically in the end, this GUI window will appear in this client PC of this PC2. So whatever the thing is going on will appear here. So this is how remote desktop works. So there are a number of software used for remote desktop. So one of is remote desktop connection, TeamViewer, Splashtop, Chrome remote desktop, and etc. So one of the best is remote desktop connection. Why? Because in my opinion, this is my opinion, that it is free of cost and it is provided by Microsoft and it's not lag like TeamViewer. But also it has disadvantages like it not provide reboot options and you have to manually like sleep, shut down and restart remote computer. And other is that it is not available in home versions of Windows 7 and Windows 10. So these are the disadvantages of remote desktop connection, so else it is good. So let's discuss advantages and disadvantages of remote desktop. So first advantage is that there is no tension of losing data as all data is on server. So basically if there is a sudden power failure or anything happen to local PC, then there is no tension because all data is saved on a server as a backup, you can say. Freedom to work from anywhere. You can work from anywhere, any location. You can access remote PC and start your work. Disadvantage is that you need a high-speed internet connection because slow internet speed connection cause bottleneck. And the second is it is possible to break into remote access system by guessing the username and password. So basically it is easy to hack. Not an easy, but it can be hacked. Now we will discuss thin client. This is a thin client device, like it's a normal PC but it is small in size, and this is a power button, USB ports and headphone jacks. So basically it is a lightweight computer, so it is used for establishing a remote connection with a server based computing environment. So it is used in basically thin client architect. So let's see what is thin client architect. So this is the thin client architect. So basically this is a server connected to this switch and this switch is connected to these thin client devices for user 1 to n. So basically This server does most of the work, like it includes launching software programs, performing calculation and storing data of these thin client devices. So basically there is operating system installed on this server, and these thin client devices access this server using remote desktop. So this is the main or basic concept of thin client architect. If you have any question, comment below and like my video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.